Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better
myself a cup of water.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me.
Do y'all notice anything? Guess what camera I'm filming on? We're sitting on the toilet this morning. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 7:22 in the morning. I just woke up, washed my face, made a coffee, and now I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup because we're gonna be doing a like productive spend the morning with me type video where I basically just bring you guys along with me this morning. I have a meeting with my investment guy, so basically like the guy who invest my money. So I have a meeting with him to just like talk about everything. That's my mom. So I can't really be too loud because Christian is still asleep and he sleeps light as a baby. So it's gonna be great. Also, I don't have a mirror, so we're gonna rock it without a mirror. First, I'm using this Good Molecule silicone. The silicone-free priming moisturizer. I've been using it the past couple of days. I've never like, I'm not gonna say never, because First Aid Beauty kind of has something similar. It's a moisturizing primer. Also, if you hear the toilet, it's so bad. Okay, I gotta hurry up because my mom wants me to meet her at the house.
You gotta get this show in the road.
I'm using the thickest stick it. Also, I don't know what the f I'm gonna wear to this. So, oh my god, I have to shit. Alright, I'm gonna talk about shit for a second. If you don't like, skip through. But you know when you have to like poop so bad and you get like a turtle head and you're literally like squeezing every like muscle in your asshole to like keep it in? Power Boost contour stick. Everybody keeps asking me what brushes I use. Y'all, I use Real Techniques. I feel like this is kind of reminding me of like the Get Ready With Me days in high school. It's kind of reminding me of that. I just wish I had more things to do. I feel like with doing YouTube, it's kind of hard to make it like your full-time everything because then you don't have things to like film unless you're just like one of those creators in like LA or something. But like if you're just a normal regular bitch, like what the f are you gonna film if you don't do anything? And that's kind of how I feel.
Okay, so then start doing things and stop complaining.
So it's like when I do have stuff to do, I need to really take advantage of those opportunities because I don't have to do all the time. 9 times out of 10, I just sit at the apartment and do nothing. Oh my gosh, I really have to poop. I think I might have to take a momentary pause, you know? So I was thinking about maybe going to school. School is just not what I want to do. It's like really not what I want to do. Like I'd rather just like invest my time into like entrepreneurship stuff. So like opening my own business and stuff, which really, I don't know why I don't just do that, but like, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take a shit. Okay, now moving on to concealer. I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. Also, y'all, fun fact, kind of TMI gross fact. So if you don't like that, we can skip over this. But my shit has been green. I think it was because like I was sick, maybe like because I was on medications and stuff. Which also I got a fucking yeast infection. Like this whole month has just been so for me. Like I literally got a yeast infection. I've been sick practically the whole month of March. Like I was sick and then I got better and then Christian got sick and like my whole family was sick too. Like my nephew was sick, my mom was sick, my dad was sick, my sister was sick. Like literally everybody was sick. So I don't know what was like in the air, but none of us had COVID. So that's crazy. Like we were all sick, but none of us had COVID. We all tested negative. Pearl Techniques brush, by the way, this is a stipple brush and this is their expert face brush. Oh good, linked on my Amazon storefront. I'm obsessed. You're gonna love it. Then as you guys saw in my past video, life's just not been an uphill, very downhill recently. So like this whole month has just been very and I've just honestly been like rethinking my whole life, if I'm gonna be honest. Like I've just been like, what the fuck am I gonna do with my life? Like what do I want to do? I feel like that's like a pivotal thing that every like 1-year-old or like someone my age, even in like your like ends of your teen years, like you really have to start thinking about what you're gonna do with your life and like what your goals and what your plans are. And when I think about my goals and my plans, I'm like really just like confused because I feel like I see influencers all the time and I have like goals, yeah, but I don't know what like my ultimate end goal is because I don't know what I want to be fucking doing for the rest of my life. Like I really don't. I feel like I just want to always be doing just like whatever I want to do in that moment. We've been taught for so long that we have to have this like one singular set thing, and I'm like, okay, but I don't know what that singular set thing is. Like I don't want to do one thing for the rest of my life. Like I would love to maybe live in a van at some point and travel the world, or like go on like a Europe trip or something and vlog the whole thing. Honestly, I just really don't know. Maybe I want to have my own talent management company where like I manage influencers and help them with brand deals and stuff like that. Like that could be a thing. Or maybe I want to have my own small business and make it a big business. Like, you know, I just like really don't know what I want to do, and I just like I've been stressing about it so much. I feel like I'm in this weird place where I'm not growing. So I'm kind of just like I don't know what to do, so I don't know how to move forward, if that makes sense. And I feel like I'm also a little bit overwhelmed, so that's why I'm taking like a little break off right now. Well, technically I'm on my little break, but I'm filming just because filming literally brings me happiness. Like that's why I also don't like taking breaks from YouTube. I was explaining this in the comments. Well, not explaining it, but I was just saying this in the comments. But like a reason I don't like taking off of work for YouTube, this whole get ready with me is so long. I don't really like taking off of YouTube because like YouTube is my one piece. Like it's literally my one piece. It's like my one happy place. It's my thing. Like, you know, it's just like I love YouTube, and so that's why I really do like not like taking breaks away. But it's just sometimes gets a lot. And also considering like I do run it myself, like a lot of people do have editors, or maybe not running their YouTube, but they might have people helping them create a story post or things like that. No, I do all that shit on my own. Like I make my story posts, I make my reels, I make my TikToks, I do my Instagram pictures. Like I don't have anybody to help me with anything besides brand deals.
We're not gonna talk about my eyelashes. I know they're all up, but I'm kind of getting irritated myself, which I'm thinking maybe you guys are getting irritated, or maybe I'm just like in my head. But I know, or not irritated, but just like, okay, there's way more serious problems in the world, you know what I mean? But everyone's feelings valid. Everybody's going through something different, and this was just at the time, you know, kind of like what was really stressing me out and worrying me. And I know that I am extremely blessed. Like my job is completely different from a lot of other jobs, and I'm extremely lucky to have the job that I do have, and I would literally never trade it for the world. This is 100% what I love to do and what I was called to do. Like I've known ever since a little girl that I wanted to do YouTube. I just didn't know that it could become like an actual job for me and a stable thing that I could like live off of. Because it is something that I do live off of, therefore it has become a job and not so much a hobby, which I do want to kind of like work on and maybe get like a different, like a side job. But that's also kind of where this whole confusion comes in, because I don't want to just do something just to do something. I want to actually do something that will help me grow in this direction or help me pursue my dreams further, instead of just kind of doing something to fill the time up. So yeah, I'm just kind of like all over the place. I'm just kind of trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, but I have been making some decisions with like different switching things up. So hopefully that will help me with the going in the direction that I do want to go in. So wish me luck.
Social media is something that you have to grow on all the platforms. You can't really just like, I mean, you can just have one singular platform, but it's so much better to be well-rounded into everything. That's why you really gotta like put a lot of time and effort into all your I don't know why that just caught my attention, but like you have to put like all your effort into all your platforms. But yeah, I have been working on my Instagram and I've also been working on my TikTok, so I'll have the link to those in my link tray down below. But I would love if you guys would support me on there, and just like if you're subscribed to here and you don't follow me on those platforms, definitely you should, because I post on those platforms pretty much 24/7. Like maybe not every single day, but I'm posting at least on one of those platforms every single day. Yeah, you'll see more of my face, whereas here you're only going to see me 2 times a week, sometimes even less. And plus, because I've just been inconsistent recently and I've had a lot going on, honestly my posting schedule has been like all over the place. I'm using the Makeup Revolution 5D Lash Pow Volumizing Mascara, which is going to be really hard to do because I don't have a mirror and I don't know how to do this. Yo, I really miss this camera. I just feel like this camera has so many memories attached to it, and you're not even gonna fucking believe I literally dropped this and shattered the whole screen, and I just got it fixed, and my warranty just ran out last December, so now I can't even get it fixed. Like I'll have to pay for it out of pocket to get it fixed, and I'm just like, this isn't even my main camera anymore, so like do I really want to spend that money? Because like it's still workable, it doesn't really bother me too much, but it's just like damn. Okay, now we're gonna use our Milk Hydra setting spray. Also, I'm gonna be going to this meeting, but then we're gonna go have lunch with my mama afterwards, which will probably end up going to On the Border just because I love On the Border and she'll actually go with me, but we'll see where we go. Okay, now we're gonna pick out an outfit. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know what I'm gonna wear because I really want to wear like comfy pants. So like I really want to do like leggings, but I'm like, how do I like spice up leggings? Because I'm going to like a meeting, like office type of thing. So I'm like, ugh, but I really just don't give a like I really don't. I went up into my tax advisor meeting in like basically pajamas. Is it gonna be hot or cold today? Raining right now. Okay, well I'm definitely not doing my hair if it's raining, but I'm definitely gonna wear leggings. Alright, these are the leggings that I chose. They're just these ones from Girlfriend Collective, I believe. Yeah, they're the Girlfriend Collective ones in a size small, so I'm gonna put these on. Okay, so now I was kind of thinking maybe wear like a sweater and then wear like my rain jacket over. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear this sweater that my sister made. I'm gonna wear this green raincoat jacket thing. Hello! So y'all, we are currently at the post office because I think I'm actually gonna be canceling my P.O. box because it used to be like $70 I think for like 6 months. Now it's like $90, almost $200 for a full year. So I'm just not getting enough stuff in my P.O. box to keep it. It says it's closed right now.
What's closed?
On the Border. It says opens at 11 a.m. That is a whole hour. I mean, we could go to like IHOP.
Yeah, you can do that. Or we can do Denny's, Waffle House, Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel will be good.
Do you do a forwarding address so any mail that comes to it will go?
So you close your box and then you gotta forward your mail if you want to forward it. If anything's still coming to the P.O. box, we'll forward it from the old to the new address.
This was in her P.O. box, so today's the deadline to renew it. So we just need to go online to cancel.
No.
Oh, you're gonna cancel it and we'll do the online change of address.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just made a pit stop real quick at my parents' house, pick up my car because we left it here and we like rode together to my investment thing, which I didn't really record because I felt like that was like kind of businessy, meeting-ish. Oh my god, I cannot speak. She just bit me.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my.
It's now 2 o'clock and I'm at Julia's house. We went and got some Taco Bell. We both got just some Doritos Locos Tacos, but we're about to sit here and eat. I also got like a blue raspberry slush and she got a Pepsi over there. Hello, Milo. This is Milo. Say hello. Oh, shit. Julia just went to the restroom, so we're waiting on her to come back so we can eat. And she's back. Hello. Hello. We are about to eat our Taco Bell.
We're just going with just the noodles.
Okay. Anyways, we're about to eat. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna bring home me and Christian a slushie just to let him know that I'm like thinking about him. None of these look like they working. Okay, there we go. It's okay. It doesn't taste that good.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
It's good. How are you?
Good, thank you. 560. You're wearing a Merry Christmas sweater in,
I am.
what is it, March?
I'm supporting my sister. She made it.
4 months ago.
Gotta support. We love
All right.
Christmas. Okay.
Have a good one.
You too. Now I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna give Christian his little snack.
And the video's over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know why it's getting worse. It's literally getting worse. I don't know why, but this video just brought me so much happiness. So I really hope that it did the same for you guys. It just kind of felt like a throwback video almost to me. Like, I don't know, just the get ready with me portion just felt like I was just talking to my girls. And I don't know, I just really overall had such good vibes about this video. So I really hope it radiated that to you guys as well. If you guys are new to my channel and you're watching to this point, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my family. Yeah, you guys can follow me on all my other social medias. I have my Linktree link down below, so that will literally just click that link in all my platforms. Anything that I have, it's all linked on my Linktree, so that's just an easy way to get to it. But yeah, and then also me and Julia did film a Patreon video if you didn't catch that in like the text thing, but we did film a Patreon video this specific day, so that is already up on my Patreon. I posted that yesterday, I posted that Monday. So if you guys would like to go watch that, you definitely should go become a Patreon member. I am trying to get my schedule situated with Patreon and stuff, so I know I've been slacking on there, but I've been communicating why I've been slacking, so I think everybody on there kind of like understands. But I'm going to be getting back on my shit. I'm going to be doing Monday and Friday, at least Monday and Friday, if not more than that. So definitely you should go subscribe to my Patreon to watch some of those videos. It is a $6 monthly subscription, but I tried to make it as cheap as possible, so it's literally only $6. And yeah, if you can spare that, I would love to have you, but if not, I completely understand. But with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment a yellow flower emoji if you watched to this point, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!